Hi, and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name is Darren, and this channel is about backpacking, family vacations, or attractions, and finding your next adventure. In today's adventure, we are here at Legoland, California. I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to trade minifigure Lego people. So come and join us. One of the first stops here at the minifigure market is a great place to trade and look for little packets. You can buy $5 figurines or bring some figures of your own from home. Some of the tips: the figure has to have a head, arms, hands, and legs. It has to be a full figure and has to be by the Lego brand. No off-brand Lego people. Alright, Michaela, can you share some tips and tricks on trading the minifigure Lego people?
So, around the park, you can build 3 minifigures at the table, or bring them here, and you can go around the park asking employees for minifigure trades. You go up to them and say, hey, can I trade with you? And you look up their name badge if they have minifigures on there. Or if they have a trading station, it'll look like a little box. Okay. You can go to them, trade with them, give them one of yours, we'll give you the one that you traded for. Okay. Are there any secret hidden figures that you can find, or that you Not know really. It's basically just you trade around the park with the employees. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, for $14.99 you get to build 3 figures. You get a bio helmet, a head, a weapon, body, and some legs. Alright, who are all the Ninjagos?
Nia, Lloyd, Cole, Jay, Zane, and Lloyd.
And who is your favorite?
Lloyd.
Why?
Because he's the elemental master of energy.
Okay. Okay, our next tip is to find a model citizen or an employee who works here at the park. If you see on their name tag that they have any Lego people stuck to it, go up and ask them and see if they have any hidden or to trade the minifigures.
I think this is a Ninjago character.
What do you think,
No,
Joe?
they both have Ninjago character faces.
They do, they do.
You want to trade or no? No? Okay. No, thank you. Okay, my next tip is to find, there are service people who kind of work and maintain on the rides. Also the carnival people who work at a lot of the booths. A lot of the vendors look for specific cases that have little Lego people that you can trade with. So look for those name tags, look for the service people, and the carnival people also might have secret minifigure Legos that you can trade. See, what do you see any that you want? He likes Ninjago. Do you have any Ninjago ones?
Not explicitly. It looks like it's part Ninjago. Lots of mix and match stuff.
You want to take a look? Look at his name tag. Look at all the Legos he's got.
a gymnast, a clown, a
Cool.
girl.
Nice. Thank you, Steve. Bye. Don't drive crazy. Hi, Jordan. All right, our next tip is always look out for special occasions, new releases, or holidays when new Lego people come out. Maybe it might be a new movie or a new show, but some of the newer minifigure Legos come out at that time. We're here on the Skipper School Ride, just enjoying a nice cruise with our captain, Camden. He's driving the boat. All right, oh, make a right. So always look for special occasions, new releases of new mini figurines. And don't be afraid to walk up to a model citizen and ask them, or possibly show them your Lego pieces. If there are specific or special Lego people that you're looking for, always ask a model citizen. Ask a model citizen if they might know where you could find that. So my son, Josiah, he's looking for a specific Ninjago Lego. He's looking for a Naya or Nia Lego figure. So we're gonna try to find one, maybe in the Ninjago land, but we'll probably try to ask a model citizen if they possibly might know where one is. Whoa! Look at this selection. Yeah.
Remember, this is Isaac's toy. Oh, I'll take this one.
You gotta keep them straight.
All right, thank you. Thanks. What'd you get, Jordan?
A doctor.
At your service, sir! Have you moved my golden brick? Is it out for cleaning? Where is it? The king demands an answer.
No, your majesty, I don't know nothing about no missing golden brick.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. What did you get? Let's see.
Ninjago once, period.
Mom, Dad.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, you're the big love. There's the guy.
Hello, explorers. Quest team leader here. We've spotted a dinosaur.
Thank you, explorers. You're the best dinosaur spotters.
Thanks for watching YeeFit Adventures on our trip to Legoland, California. We had a great time. I hope you enjoyed these tips on how to find the best mini figurine Lego people here at Legoland, California. There's more to come. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care, stay safe, and let's find your next adventure.